Hello guys, good evening. Yes, it's me again, Hero from Totz Adventure. And if you're asking if I'm alone, I am still alone right now. But, yun nga, my wife is on her way dito sa CDO from Davao City. She left around 3 p.m. on the afternoon and probably would arrive here dito sa CDO around 12 midnight. As of now, she texted me na she is currently naana sa Malaybalay, Bukid noon. So, that's probably 4 hours na biyahe from here sa CDO. So, I'm very, very excited. Although it's midnight, still, I am very excited to fetch her. Of course, that's my responsibility. Papatayin ako kung hindi. But, my point is, I'm very excited to meet my wife again because it's been 3 days na wala namin nagkita since I left Davao due to work concerns dito sa CDO. And we would like to maximize the time. So, she took a leave from Thursday, December... Yes, that's today, Thursday is December 8 of 2016. And until December... Kalimut ko sa date, wait lang. Thursday, December 8 of 2016 until December 10 of 2016. So, we'll be staying here at CDO and probably maximize our time to explore CDO and hopefully maka-visit me of other places dito sa CDO because last time I remember we just explored Limket Kai and some restaurant dito sa CDO. But as of now, we are hoping na makabalik mi dito sa El Salvador. Of course, El Salvador na church is na-visit po na last time. So as of now, we are hoping to get back to El Salvador to get the oil or katong lana pang manananggal again. Kay they said it's a very very effective holy oil. Anyway, I've done the oil actually. I've used it for some times, like it's good. Anyway, let's not talk about the oil. Right now, I'm very, very excited to meet my wife again. As of now, we'll be sharing this room until December 8 of 2016. December 10 of 2016, and probably on our way to from CDO to Davao, we are going to explore some places. Probably, my target is to visit Buddha again. Yes, we've made a vlog about the Buddha, but my point is the Seagull Mountain Resort. So we would really like to explore the place because last time we were not able to visit because may kasama kami last time si Ate Heidi, but now we are alone and we can explore it probably. So while here sa CDO, we are going to explore some places aside from the malls. Probably go somewhere, restaurants or I'm not sure, just trying to explore. Yun. So guys, balikan ta mo pag maabot na akong wife, probably kulito na pud ko ato. Anyway, sanay naman tana. And I really miss her and I'm very 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 excited again to meet. So be back to you guys. Hello guys, good evening. Yes, finally it's already 11:30 in the evening and I am going to Agora Terminal. Si Tot na daw, naabot ng ilhang bus but actually on the biyahe pa. So hoping now, yes, we are going to meet again and I am very very excited for this moment. So guys, ayun, just stopped because it's stoplight. And alright guys, ako din sa Agora Terminal and looking for Tot. Actually, I think that's the bus na yung bisakyan. So, just waiting. So, nakababa na daw si Tot na daw siya sa Jollibee. So, coming to Jollibee. And dito. Hello guys! Finally, Tot is here. The gravity pulls you straight down. She arrived at around 12 midnight June. Earth from a bird's eye view. Yes. Salamat, Chip. Yes, nanagin si Tot, nanamidre, nag-CR lang. May convenience store para magpalit ng goods and foods. Actually, it's already 12 a.m. or 12 in the midnight. And still alive. We're still alive. And I'm waiting for Totz right now. Na ako sa entrance or exit sa hotel. Yan. Wala yung sabon. The wife syndrome. Palit dito. Nga, kamusta man? Currently, we're having some coffee sa convenience store. Ha? Hello guys. It's almost 1 a.m. And we have our coffee from the convenience store. And here's Totz, finally. She arrived at around 12 midnight. Here sa Cagayan de Oro City. So as of now, we're the only one walking on this hallway of our hotel. And yes, this feels like a ghost town. But anyway guys, thank you. Niabot si Totz very safe. Tapos, according kay Totz, ang biyahe medyo sobra ka maulan. Sobra gito ka maulan from from Buda until niabot siya diri sa CDO. And then the total hours consumed sa biyahe is about 9 hours. So medyo dugay gid kayo as in. Tas kaya ang iyang biyahe. So gikapoy gid ni siya og maayo. She needed some caress. So here we are in our room 388. And here is our room. And it's not a mess. Nadira ang mga labhonon, pwede na nimo siya labhan. Tapos nagpalit na ko daan og sabon panlaba, mauna tarong nga og labaha, ugma. Ha? Shh! Minaw ka na ko! Di ka maminaw na ako! Atik lang. Yes, finally! Come Totz, let me hug you. I miss you so much. Come. Come to daddy. Come. How's your biyahe? Kapoy? Ang akong wife, because walay mangunit sa kuha, walay magsamok-samok. Peaceful kaya akong kinabuhi pag wala siya. Sobra ka peaceful. See? She's so caring. Kay grabe gidalhan yun ko niya burger from Davao. From Davao City pa na siya. So, guys, I'm very happy that my wife arrived. Very safe to the CDO. And for the next few days, probably you're gonna see us exploring CDO again. Looking for some places na pwede na mo ma-explore. Especially, syempre, after na siya sa work. And then, while going back to Davao City, probably gusto gina mo agihon ang kaning Sigal. Tama ba to? Sigal, no? So, Sigal. So, guys, thank you so much. Hopefully, mag-subscribe mo sa among YouTube channel. Tapos follow mo sa among Twitter, Instagram, then like us on Facebook. As of now, I'm going to caress Totz muna. Hi, Totz! Wala daw siya haplas. Sige guys, thank you so much. Goodbye for now. Leggings, sapaw, pantalon, beard.